Hello, everyone. It is Brinda from Secure Seniors, and welcome to episode 1 of our new series, the Artificial Intelligence Scam series, where we go through specifically scams that have been ramped up using this new technology, artificial intelligence. In every episode, we will dive into one of these AI scams and understand tips on how to identify them, as well as what to do in case you do get scammed. So, we're going to start episode 1 by just discussing artificial intelligence in the world of scams. What is this technology and how can it be used against us in scams? So, let's get started. Artificial intelligence is defined as when computers are made to think and learn like humans so they can solve problems or do tasks on their own. Now, that sounds a little bit confusing, so let's get the simpler definition. Artificial intelligence, or abbreviated as AI, is computer technology that can talk, write, and can sound human. And it learns by copying real people. We feed it real people data, and it learns and gets better over time at talking and writing and sounding human, and everything else we have up there. Now, how do we make these AI scams? Well, scammers use public artificial intelligence tools that anyone on the internet can access. So we've listed some major ones there, such as ChatGPT, Sora, Google, Gemini, etc. And they type simple instructions called prompts. Prompts are just simple sentences that you input or type in to the artificial intelligence tool that makes it generate what you want. So you can type in a prompt like, make me a photo of a cat on a rainbow, and it will give you that image if you enter it into the right artificial intelligence tool that you can find on Google. But most people use it like that, whereas some individuals use it to scam, which is why we're learning about it. And the AI creates messages, fake voices, and websites, which are things that are utilized in scams. Now, what is the impact and the effect of using this artificial intelligence on scams, and how does this really influence us as a general society? Well, first of all, these scams can be made in less than 30 minutes. So now it takes way less time to actually make these scams, and it allows scammers to make way more. And it's more efficient, it's more convenient. And the messages sound way more real and personal. They're way harder to detect, these AI scams. They are really easy to fall into, which is why this initiative is so important. And it is also why you should stay tuned into the other episodes to learn about these scams and really educate yourself, because these are really hard to identify. And this also has a great effect because one scammer can target hundreds of people at once with this new tool. Because it can make things so quickly, it has a really wide scope. And identifying these is really important, which is why we're offering this education on this new types of scams. Thank you for listening to episode 1 of our AI scam series, where we gave you a brief overview of what artificial intelligence really is. In the next episodes, we will give you some common scams that have really been taken to the next level because of artificial intelligence. And we will teach you how to identify them, how to avoid them, and many more. Thank you for listening, and here's our website, www.secureseniors, where you can learn more about scams, some tips overall in general, some reports to read, as well as statistics about scams all across the 50 states of the United States of America. And we also have information on artificial intelligence scams on the website, as they are ever evolving, and it is important to stay updated with them. So please check out our website and stay tuned for more episodes. Thank you, and I hope this left you just a little bit more educated.